Ghost fire go burn that one. Nothing way she go do it go work for Asaboro body. Because if really say Asaboro know all these things about Monica and there's evidence, Monica know if he even agree me Asaboro the breathe. She no go agree make Asaboro breathe. That is why she come with this one to tarnish Asaboro ni. Asaboro, is it that you dey protect the relationship where it already sour so? Are you trying to protect a already soured relationship with this what is that they call her Infinity Saga? Because you thought say na Beck Mike where be that one will be like cheap passing, so you say na Infinity Saga sister according to you, because you say that one are your mother-in-law. Abi, that's how you Abi your sister-in-law. You say she'd already run leave Monica. And now for your present koro, Beckman go call into Monica platform. They insult you. And now your boyfriend sister. I don't understand that kind of relationship, my sister. Please, can you come and enlighten us? Say, where did they go? Is it that they blackmail you with anything? Are they using anything to blackmail you, my sister? Because this whole matter, so where would they look like place? So blackmailing don't fall inside. Yes, blackmailing don't fall inside. The way Monica was running after bloggers and unblocking fake account, I know something was wrong. Yes, of course, I know say Asaboro the told truth, but I think no be Beck Mike be a sister-in-law. Okay. You understand? I think blackmailing don't they enter inside this whole issue. Asaboro, they blackmail you. These people don't they blackmail you. Because if not the Monica, if not the real Monica Infinity Saga, where you tell us now, say, nah, be your guy. Don't be surprised, say that guy, if you don't carry your camera down, go give Monica. Don't be, because before that guy go Monica platform, go they downgrade you, they bully you, they drag you. You will be your girlfriend. They write what they write. Which kind play they play like that? Which kind play they play like that? In the Infinity Saga, no say ambush never one day. Do as you know, say Monica and Asha, everything we know about Monica. You don't ever see Bruce one day come online, come talk down Monica. They don't want Asaboro say if she bring out any quacks, then go bring out her own. Because this their issue, a lot of this their you'll be like politics. So this their game don't they pass the way we take the see. Because the first Asaboro when me see for that first video. No be sure I can't see again now where they talk on all this issue. Because I know Asaboro to be a fearless person. Wait till they will just threaten you Asaboro rich like that. Where we say, you not going to even give us any evidence. Gloria, oh, you not give us. Who be the Infinity Saga, you not give us. Who be the this one, you not give us. It's a Ashawo classic. Okay, Gloria, I mean, now I mean interest. That one, no, also we get unfinished business. Now that one me your me fe no so Monica na Ashawo. That Gloria oh me one me interest iba. Pot where she take it where she no wash. Me ya fe you want to leave everything like that. You want forgive them. No do like that. They know they do like that. Because to forgive is good though, but it will make you look like me, I hate that name that. He no good though. He know you're good, my sister. I know good. If the man where you claim say na your guy, if he can come out to disrespect you in that manner, you too disrespect her. Now you be even they beg. The time where you they beg, that time my sister, where they ask about where they beg, say, Infinity Saga. I just the comment section. You not let me tell Asaboro say, Asaboro, I forgive him. Yeah, I just they say, I just fed the last say, hey, may Bishop come out first. May Bishop come out first. Yeah, you go okay via home. I'll come apologize to if you later still marry. I'll come apologize to you. Say Asaboro the big. You want me Infinity Saga na wega. Kamete we no ga zage page. You know. Thanks for joining a party. It's a new generation. Thanks for joining. Long time no so. Era saboro. Una they get me so my people. I'm telling you guys the facts. Asaboro, bring evidence and reclaim your stand on Edo cyberspace. Don't let anybody use you to shine. Don't let anybody threaten you. What about a person? Is she safe? Who are you say waiting? Nuts. You say what of if we fight, if we finish fighting for Asaboro for Facebook, whether she dey safe? Like I no get her. Who they born a papa where we want go touch Asaboro? Which person they born a papa where we want go touch Asaboro? You know how many presenters there UK where won't press Monica neck twist her? Talk less of say when they will go get evidence hold for heart. You think say those presenters no go come back Asaboro up? You know how many people want back Asaboro up for this issue? But we just want real evidence. Nobody gets her to come the fight. Yeah, fight. Where we say you go come like say when but nobody get that time again. Social media don't advance. Now we deal with evidence. Now evidence. If you want more craze for you, give us evidence. Even these days, you carry case, go give presenter, say, see what the person do, you person do your money, or person chop your this one, person just bring evidence. Once you bring evidence, go relax, leave the rest for presenter. Which presenter? Presenter go contract presenter. As me did this Italy, so one presenter, even though you told you short, you come out for years. As I say, you be presenter, you come out say, Queen, so you have been doing saga for the many years, and I'll be going to arrest you. I'm going to eat you. For this, you go pay me, you go. See, you go pay me, your pint go here. You go pay me. As I say, you be presenter. You're contracting me for my own cabin, for my zone, for my area. Presenter. I bet forget that thing. When I talk back and say, is she safe? Then one go use gun take my hand. If she not safe, now that one even good pass. As the Monica go, they do that video, she they follow up. Any life threat or what screen record there. Any life threat, like as Monica come and say, I beg you know Asaboro full name. You don't know say that in a threat. Why you not put on Jonas or no address? Only that thing where she write, I beg you know Asaboro full name. Meaning you they look for her. Yes, you they look for her. She go carry that thing. She will first go police station first. Why I go you talk? So person like this, they look for. What's it happen? Not in a Facebook. Facebook matter. They know they talk her for court. How many times I go tell now? Say they know they talk her for court. Court go tell you say block the platform. No they wash her again. No go there again. Talk less of presenter where say you talk, I talk. You curse my back. I swear for your mama. You call me a shower. I bring your pekus come out. The one where they call the Asaboro say, Asaboro never born. Make it go born first. Make imagine. That then I will come, you call me say I never born. I bring your pekus. We'll go court. We'll go court. Even if now 5 years we'll go they do one. I bet God does this na self-defense. Man not gonna fear like that too. So please. You see, I believe Asaboro was set up through the guy. That guy, if that guy have been going around, if not that's what they call him, Saga Kingstar, that guy have been going around, dancing around presenters, collecting their ototo ahara. Though and now what they tell me inside house. Now person tell me I not talk now say na me. I hear they tell me I was there. Now person tell me. Say this guy so if they go they ask presenter. I know why you call that presenter name back myself. If not I for tell now presenter where go they follow and they do camera down. And for your tell now the name of the presenter where go they follow and they do camera down. So for you come go see involved for Asaboro boys and I come be the Infinity Saga. Now it work be that. They blackmail women for a living. Now una don't make Asaboro fall in love finish. Una come they make her they feel say she don't know what she they do. Una want come make her they do not say I be her head not correct again. I be her head sick or this because this one no be Asaboro women know. Asaboro is the list of guests where go come and call it say, so that from here a male man where she never married. Asaboro will be traditional Benin woman, where even they advise Benin woman self. He said that guy and Frank get the same Ashawo character. But Frank will not be going to, Frank not they go platform to platform. Now. This one, you go first control, they give you star first. Now star it they enter their body, oh, star. You go first start to they give you star first. You your feel say, oh, he's a good fan, he's an enemy supporter. From there, if you be person where they could make friend because me go out big bomber. I get friends, but he go out big bomber. That is why friendship they come with they beat me well because though the verse for me quick wet your one, they know they see your call. Not beside the phone, but he go out big bomber, not sabi do. If you be person where a big bomber now, so you just he go just call you. He said the guy is Infinity Saga, trust me. I go believe you because na fake account they rule this Edo cyber space. If na that Saga King Star where me know is working for Monica, if na Saga's King Star make Asaboro talk talking around the bush. Yes, now that will make me your the verse or Asaboro now say Asaboro, let us know. No cover for her again. Is it the Infinity Saga where we know? Somebody is calling me, guys. I take this call. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Okay. We are listening.
Okay, yeah. My sister, the matter, get us if they are not lying.
That's a journey, Mama. Yeah, talk to us with the
ear. Yeah, good afternoon. You see this matter, so even I just see that let's say I call this get that Vera. At least one small audio where that one still play. You see, say Monica Koro enters.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Just more people.
Yeah.
But the way Asaboro boss reached how many days ago we don't let people sleep. At least just give us one small thing.
Evidence.
Or even tell no, okay. You they talk truth. She just creak at the end of the day. Why are pushing, why are swan, UK na mayaji mana. I be Monica no ya sue anybody we cut.
Monica me be on your magbon. Monica me be na ye cut.
5 years in here. Monica ye cut. You why ya threatening Asaboro? Asaboro even mad at all. Then number 2. For Asaboro to even come and say the date Infinity Saga na go alok ya when my gone ma ya mukpo then am we guy ni ugbe mo pa ma agbe wa gbon so we wan na bona ya my friend I have double me way to dead desperate when I want Infinity Saga man she forehand child I not go lie you she forehand though it can when me leave where maybe you ham way but waiting that's why okay who set it now waiting finish it na end the swing.
Yes, a matter Nikki.
Okay. If you know if you play the thing or you not feel share it,
give her out.
Share
her. Yes.
Oh, but like Betty do that when she wear a fake account to send them you prove it
all. I'm here over. Yeah.
I'm here over. Prove it all. But like any time itself if you name my baba now with social media and all those things. A matter boy, you never need 5 years. Here you drag here. I make no face. I might wear winning my baba. A Monica a court of man or ye. Asaboro proof. They talk a lane. We no one send up marriage. Then look at it. No, one classic Gloria. I mean, a plastic Gloria.
Or a picture of the Infinity Saga. One of your lads. Yeah, very running. So one of the picture lads.
Atikon or Italy. Only there. Over right away. If they born you well, bring the proof. People don't dare you. What do you consider wait?
Yeah.
The thing really they very annoying shower. Not even before they only make our time now we get any proof. They all nyanya la wowa.
No, she not go do like that. She not go do like that because this time.
Never support her because he go follow Luna hand though. Mona never support her at all. If not, now shame. Now everybody will tell her she not get any proof. Every prove it, but why did they support it? When I say bonnet, but why can they support it?
But Marty was here. In drag they go drag her. They will drag her. In drag her. Saboro no be here. They go drag her.
Invest on night. No even polish ground. Say when that one even the fear. So My number one enemy come my marriage. Hey, so about say we are mother poisoning. You know what that kind of thing, the way they tell person say he number one enemy day marriage. Oh no, ya video we go to face up boy. Ya don't know we we na be man no be no pano.
Yeah.
It is very disrespectful. Anyway, continue the thing. Thank you.
We'll see. So my amazing people, our sister Asaboro ubege na we the same thing. Emma Yitana, you see, and I say everybody. You know why me they talk so? Me, I already see where this whole matter go to end. If you not bring evidence, come aside. I already know why it go to end. One, first of all, where you for your first fuck off first. For you to come outside, when they do my husband, you know say we will also be single. So I know say fine, God, all of us go marry. We will marry the right man. You know say we will be single. So now we dey lecture ourselves about ourselves. Oh, come online, man, will never marry you. Even the relationship self, you know, straight. We're gonna do my man. You remember what they do if you where they do my man. Oh, tell us say get inside. Man, will never marry you. You go come out, they do my man. Where you get that one for the apple. So Asaboro, that same thing now you they do. So this infinity way they talk say my husband, my husband, my man. You won't be like if you matter. Not be you supposed to do this kind of thing. That one a first of all. That one a first. And now they want to the thing say the Infinity Saga where you date not being the real Infinity Saga. Like many say you can't be small picking. So you be small picking. I will be say before man put your pints like this now. Can't even put something, join something. Or I can't date for maybe a year or 8 months. You don't know my way knock you or you don't know my way you date. Now be what they want to do, you know, they won't make you feel say maybe what you they talk your that is here that is here where my bar. Let me put it that way. You understand? Then now they say the Infinity Saga where you date because me don't know how they tell know the one where you date. I don't know how they tell know the one where you date because you never tell anybody the man where you date for the first place. But then I thought they talk said not be their own Infinity Saga you date. Now another one now you date. You see? So you need to prove that one where you date now. May we know whether not the real one or not the fake one. We need to know. They said the accusation where you accuse plastic rubber Gloria ni a fifth of a movie edo industry. That one you need to bring the evidence. Let's, as you say, remove, you just cancel Monica Bekus. Now, we find no say Monica Bekus not go good. After all, when she did that video, you bought, now every day she they use and scratch there. So we already know, say, nothing good they come out inside that Bekus. Even though we see now, according to reliable source, they say cucumber where she they put for Bekus, wait till you what and very big. They say oh, boy use fertilizer plant that cucumber e Monica yako there no gazien you we oni sanzien you we that one no fit deny for Monica because Monica na chawo I no fit deny that one but you see the rest so when people draw the paddle so because people you fed the pause as a borrow people never want it because video where be say people will take the saga you now Monica will come they analyze last I just they tell you video because you be like say you call people say Wabumere o inidi yobo Wabumere o inidi yobo. Now people can't come for you even when they never even know what happen. They don't even already they support you, they fight, they help you, they fight. At the end now you can't be say wait you call them for, wait you gather them for, or things when you explain to them say they go on wrongly. Waiting people they do you wrongly. Where they already come defend you once and for all. They'll come, they find out now, say, all those things, why you just wake up one afternoon, your life, you can't begin the cause crack like that, you begin the shout for nothing, saying like say nothing happened to you, because this matter is deep as a bro. Or did they blackmail you? Are they blackmailing you? Because we need to know what is going on. This matter don't they grant for a very long time. Even when you they come out that time, his sister, my husband's sister, they now presenters, they follow presenter. They'll go talk their own for that side. And how they talk my own, yeah. They'll go, you understand me if you get interest for this. As I come for Infinity Saga, I say, can Infinity Saga? I person who has seen the video. One lady, is it not all that they call her? That one too say she get the video. They say Beatrice Ogbaika, according to what I hear, they say Beatrice Ogbaika also get the video. Nelly Black Gold also get the video of Monica Bekus. You understand? So, Asaboro, this time, you know, you be intelligent somebody. Not call they behave like person where you don't know what the meaning of what they call her. No, just no, don't even do this. Don't do this. Trust me, soon or later you go regret her. Yes. Soon or later you go regret. Even if say you won't even delete your platform, say you want even come off for Facebook, it's better say now you tire for Facebook you come out. Then you can't be say na lie where she talk like follow everywhere, enough fit defend itself. Now the portion is very bad. It's very bad. In as much say you don't want to do follow Monica, you don't want to share Monica Bekus, but there are other things where you talk, where you're supposed to bring evidence. Because the thing they vex a lot of people. Forget say maybe me they talk now because why? You feel they say, oh Queen, now Queen they talk almost 130, 150, now they watch us for year now. You, my sister Asaboro, we need the evidence. Even if na glory you, bring and come out. Infinity Saga since you know the real Infinity Saga, because na guy where you date, you touch a phone, you go into details, yeah? You notice, you know what you they talk. The guy don't even save you any face. For her to go call Monica platform, they talk anyhow, they talk, they write. That one not be love, oh. You understand? At least you don't date clear to you now say the guy play you. You get, it don't dare clear to you now say the guy play you. So you now, to free yourself and get, no matter anything where happen, maybe the love was too big, you need to first of all defend yourself. So that even the guy, if not be even the real Infinity, I'll be the real Infinity, so I go no say you know they lie. You understand? You have to prove yourself to your husband, people, to the mark back, your friends, your followers, your cyber space people. You have to prove yourself. Say you know they lie. You know what you are saying. You they get me so because how you go just you said the Lord like you'll be like me now. She when my own matter you say I put that the way that they follow me they go say goddaughter. They say they give goddaughter money. Yes, I be goddaughter. They give me money. I don't ask. 2 years plus, I be 3 years plus, so I tell no the person. Now she take give me that money, we now they see for that receipt. Okay, that 2 years plus, all the receipts, they said now so she they pay my assessment, now so she they pay this one. That receipt what they bring come out, assessment they inside, name they inside, monthly allowance they inside. How much be that? If let's assume say 100 euro, maybe 100 euro once in 2 months, more na calculator for that amount for 2 years plus. Even if say she give me the money, no be people fans buy Monica when they drive Vela. Which work Monica work they buy Vela? Thanks for joining my lady Sandra. Which work Monica work they buy Vela? No be fans buy for her. If not that original Infinity Saga. Yes, nah. Una they get me. So fans they do something for person, not be new thing, not be Mrs. Starter. But when people want use and say follow me, they play all those kind of play. Una see what I do. I beat them to coma. What I do them? I beat them with evidence and proof. Carry their face where they find their justice. Asaboro, now so person they do something. You have to stand for yourself and hold your ground. A lot of people are with you because you be nice person. You be person where be say you never just see to insult people for this media. You never see to insult people. You always they suffer, they do your things, they go. If matter you see on yourself, you see talk your whole put small for the way lawa. That is why a lot of people get interested. These people not feel use Asaboro go like that for free. Imagine when people come ready now to go war with you. You where get fights now, you come they talk say, you don't want to why you your friend come and say I can't talk now? Everybody don't already muzzle down. That's okay. Let the war begin. Abi they blackmail you. Yes, now somebody say, my lady son that said the truth is that Monica knows the guy personally. Yes, for what did they call now? Plastic Gloria. For Asaboro to also mention, say, Monica, they give Plastic Gloria, the condemn Iyamomo Obun for the guy. I know 100% say that one are truth. Because why Asaboro not call any other person name? Why Asaboro not call UK gets many for them? Why it can't go call Classic Gloria? And if you look at that Gloria with Monica, they're not fair they play. Now when Monica with this Infinity Saga and Plastic, they don't they do. Now we come they see Gloria for UK. Now they see her with Monica. They see all of them. Yeah, where yeah, Coco where Gloria wo wa we want me wodo. Yeah, ye want me we UK nya je kia nya wodo. Ede Gloria wa we do agbon. Gloria. Kagbon we. Hey, saloboa. Shame and disgrace. If I they see all these things, me go they imagine say God. Which kind of relationship people they get? Where una for they see una relationship? We want me relationship what? First of all, person go you use account, you stay right you for Facebook. Proud mom, that one, na God still stand for that one. Because then on Facebook, you see her husband. Man go you use fake account, stay right you. Fake accounts. No be even say real accounts. Now just day okay. Now just start relationship like that. Now just the friend and fast. Now don't they see things. He said them they blackmail her. I know very well. I know say they blackmail her, yes. And they go use Asaboro not be smart and they tell us so my people. That is why we don't need to leave her put. We don't need to leave her put. So the truth will come out. I just hope so. Because if we verse Asaboro now, because presenters, I know the way we tell they operate. We feel decide say anytime, because see our mind, so now we not see the thing. Anytime she go come to bring and come out, we know we won't talk again because we can't say to say they not call the saga and I don't know say go bring the evidence. Me only do the saga and wish she not go fit. I know say fine she go talk her once as she want to, but she not go fit. Let the word begin for another person matter. Who should be let the word begin? I say war, let the war begin. I not say word. For no, it say for another person. Who should another person matter? All the social media, all of us, the one person matter and everybody matter. Eh? Princess Omo, one person matter and everybody matter. Now some Monica they do people. Yes. I bet the video of Monica na fake na AI. AI cannot generate video where go just carry Monica face. Even AI not sabi go buy cucumber for market. They say Monica hold cucumber big one. AI not fit go market go buy cucumber. You can go buy size of the one with Monica. You know not meet Monica don't pack all those Kia will come out for live video. If person woman beef they pack those rubber way that all those Kia will be past this bottle water while they drink so they pack and come out every day. Waiting which side the BT say go buy for cucumber. AI cannot price cucumber for market. The place will say one buy. I buy what AI go up cucumber for Isaiah Onisa. I wait to Azian Onisa now we Azian you will experiment. Or experiment or believe and that is why skin not even good to start with. What if she come back then later they have the upper hand because she already associated herself with him? My sister, me, as I did so, they not born any man well for a life, for a full life. As I did so, when me did so, you not get what you want to follow man do tomorrow, whether man will come hold me accountable to anything. If you like, as I say now you wrong me, I go compress you. I will compress you and your life. In short, you not go even want to see that bad side of me. Talk less or say relationship what we do. He sweet me, sweet you. You want use and tell me. Oh yeah, try am. One girl when they regbeguye. Why una just dey relationship you go just be like say na one mocha form. I be una dey show. I be not be this toxic relationship where me they see. I be una we get the one until they dey. He said, I be they do. You got una till they do now. Now this one that they talk about, say, hey, Queenie, yo, he say, Asaboro don't love Amu. Asaboro don't go love Omila. Asaboro can never love that kind of person. Which love? And today they start to do see love. Now juju they use for Asaboro juju. If really say Asaboro love Infinity Saga, now juju they use. Before Infinity Saga go they toast Asaboro. Asaboro never know. You never hear Infinity Saga cassette for this Edo cyberspace. Maybe they put ourselves. He say, Queen, I go marry you for one of my son. Your son. Hey, Baba. Why you get be one? Since now your son go, your good, the marriage go fast. Because I say maybe your friend or hey, you come be long process. No, now why son now is fast process. Asabro, don't let anybody use love wound you. A love you now. Two people they enjoy now. Say one person want use until they tie one person neck. I bet give one Chinese karat. May find one place sit down. Or what job the total if you stand up there. No be you go even portion. You go see and say they run they go. Now run you go run past you. Don't let anybody. If you like me, get your kwekuso. Because they use kwekus they blackmail you. Don't fall for those kobo. Because if you fall, they are going to use you for a lifetime. Not be new thing. Not be you start and say, man, get your kwekus. I know say you don't still be that kind of, but say it can't happen. Say maybe one and they do anything for bed, the guy can't record down or anything. My sister, not be the end of the world. You not be small picking. Papa, you not be get where they jump from man to man, from media. And Smith Day now said, any accident when me get for relationship now, everybody for this social media, you're not supposed to even rub me powder. And tell me, Queen, stop crying. You tried your best. It's not easy, our daughter. You tried. Because he may was how many years that don't they do cyberspace? Eh? Now don't hear when they say, Mona come oh, one boy don't take Queen oh, now so the press neko, hey, now so Queen, you know they, now say all those, I just they look now, I just they laugh. Once I start my own, anybody no come blame me, say, hey Queenie, see you now. No, nobody should blame me oh. Yes, because now I'm trying to be a good guest. Many of them not even notice. Now not even notice. I just they try to calm down. They do good girl. They marry you. So bro, don't let anybody do it. Don't let any. In short, if now man, don't let any man come they make you come they do like say you be a come for where. See, Asaboro is in deep love. Which kind of love be that? I bet my sister not there any love. Forget love. The man go there. He go Monica platform. If not me now, as I hear a voice on that platform, I'll fair Matty Bishop first boy like this. That one I be saying you don't draw the saga bell, you're more Chris. Not be say maybe but that one don't say the woman to get respect. No, this one even the boy village people go know say you they lie. They want label you liar. They want label you batting. They want label you say you don't know what you they do. They want label you say you I be like you are not correct. You not call the phone say you be good wife. My sister forget good wife from one place. May you do things the way it's supposed to be. Retain your step. Make sure say yes, you collect your dignity. Thank you, my lady. You understand? Not for anybody do that one. Oh. You don't know how many years you take day when you be this thing. He said, we all notice Queen, you are responsible lady. You know they do give away with your body. You understand? Now see they give me your because of my easy. Do you know how many guys they come my DM on a daily? You know how many guys? Well, you just all this Monica, all these people with me they saga for those about they say they're not the same boys they come my inbox. For when they post boys number every day, I know they post like 3 every blessed day. But me, once I just see and just tell me say, hey, excuse me, I'll just block you because I get one belief say, even if I want to get married or I want married or I dey desperate for man, not be for fake accounts, my husband go pass con. Never. No be fake account, you go pass con. Buy tickets anywhere where you dey. You will buy ticket, use your 2 leg. Go. In short, you will locate where they go, which place are they like to they eat, where they like to they do shopping. You know, you fit come meet me inside boutique if I dey do shopping. Come pay for my shopping. Come collect number face to face, grand to grand, stand for my number. Say you will go short. One kind short for a fake account. Say you won't come toast me. You understand? So now when they do that relationship, I don't know how soon until they do it. This social media, what this? I know them because of man. I'm here for the kind of phone women need now different phone. No be phone of I will call they say, okay, man, let's do something. I want to take no. I'm not calling here for serious. I don't even need serious relationship from fake account. I don't need that. What am I gonna do? Man, where you tell say I want to call you on video call, go run, go off light. You go run, go off light. Most of those fake accounts, man, where they'll call your WhatsApp, they never even talk to you once. The next thing, can you send me your picture? Can you send me your picture? Picture when I use 1008 phone, take snap. May I send that for you when they use Samsung of 200 euro? For inside WhatsApp, man, send that for you. And they come and send that for you. As a woman, there are things we need to do for this media. Me, they beg all of, because if one thing for this media, if one thing happen to, if something happen to one, yeah, if it happen to one, and if it happen to all of us. Me, I'm not there perfect as you see me so. It better say I go back to my ex. When me you know say, you know they social media, no, even if they watch saga, you know they do saga, it dies. I know her face to face, I know her personality, I know he has everything. It better say I go back to them than to come they say, and why can't they listen to wait toast with fake account when they toast me? Fake account now I can't even get fake account. The one with the whole media don't swear for. The one where be say the whole media don't swear for, where be say till tomorrow, till next tomorrow, people they sit down, they babada infinity saga say the day where they will their hand go meet him mama or his papa or himself. How can you go and fall in love with such a person? My sister, Saboro. The only thing now when you go for, if you take you for use the clean sheet throw away, say me, you be think say me go date you. You be think say me go serious with you. I just enter your life to pick things. I don't pick the thing and you can go to where I'm born to ashes. Una too they show me, so una too love them. Eh? Now with the papa them, the pampers them. You cannot carry what be your papas. Men don't like that kind of thing. Just be yourself, be real. Be real, be yourself. Not be by a woman, they do, you they do cool. Now man go take you serious. Men like crazy women. If you don't know now, I tell you. If they pet, if to say that infinity saga, say now you're a real guy. Say, it was say you show us some way as soon as they date, so during that una relationship, so you show us some way. You know, say yourself, you the craze normally. Fear no go let her come Monica put your name for a mat. Say you want talk anything where you concern you. If you come Monica say mama, yes, so one person when they come my name. I don't know the girl they come and you say they come and I don't know what is your happen. I be mona take an easy anything one they do mona talk and mona take an easy now woman matter not fit to put. Your court of fear no go let her mention your name. And because you don't over pamper, you don't look and say now you feel may can't try that thing with person where you go fit do this thing with Infinity Saga do. So if you try with Sarah, if you try this thing with Sarah T-Boss, and say I'm a what better vijay one see. If you do one with Sarah T-Boss, you know fit. May the look face. May like race women. He said, if you don't make math finish, give me your address for Nigeria. Make we go pay your bride price. Okay, my husband, mama. That gonna that was my mama. No problem. You know, they get me. Not be saying make math. It's real. I say, woman, hold your ground. Love they fine. We'll play love, we'll go beach, we'll go shopping, we'll do things. We'll knock normally, yet. But if time of grace, you're sick, tell the man, say, make it stand, wait till they stop. They follow and they talk, and they lose some women, they'll say, hey, my husband, they make up. I'll just kind of feel I fear for a toilet, I'll flush them. You know if you do me anything, if you give me one slap, I'll go like that for thyroid, I'll go the shark there. You know if you do me one thing, nothing if you do me. Men like those kind of women, they pamper, they pamper, they pamper, say, and don't pamper, you so they don't even respect your woman again. You don't even respect your woman. Woman, when you deal with, when you dating mate, with one I do things. But I said that for don't post him, mama and papa, yes, now. The Infinity Saga, he don't follow this whole face, but he ain't do okay. Why not go miss Sarah? He don't see Sarah that time. Where Sarah be? Why not go miss Sarah? Sarah ma did your OCL Facebook now. They look face. So bro, you too calm for all these things. Please, this matter so try to not just leave this issue like this. This matter never ends. Because Monica is coming for you. That's the truth. Your fair knock. May you know say you don't knock. Let Monica come out and analyze. It's more better than Monica now go come they analyze video where people they talk now say, hey, Asaboro you too they lie. Asaboro you lie. Asaboro is not, it was not true. Asaboro you were telling lies. Asaboro you were this. Asaboro you were that. Eh? Waiting you not be now. The one they bear you that thing. For this social media worldwide. Worldwide. Everybody will come and say, yeah, Asaboro they lie. Oh. Asaboro they lie. Whereas now, you know they lie. Because say you want to prevent something. People will guess what to say they want to make the thing spoil. They are not using Asaboro. Now Europe they use person. For this Europe, now they use person. Asaboro na small picking. Even though the guy tells you get your bekus, no problem. Leave Monica bekus first. We know say her where they she no baba leave that side first. Gloria own other things. Give us evidence, tangible evidence. Secure your stand first on Edo cyberspace. Not only on Edo cyber, outside Edo cyberspace. Secure your stand. Make people know that you know they lie. You know what you are saying. You don't drink. Once you secure your stand, finish. Then you will go see what you go on. Even though if Monica can later come they cry, oh, you know say leave her. Now beat you Asaboro beat and now they cry for, but like this now. If Monica come out now come they insult you, we know fit to say Monica they cry. Because she now go come the phone victim now say you accuse her wrongly. Wait till you talk about her and like talk. She will want the phone victim. As I too like to talk and laugh on. Okay? Please, I beg go leave Asaboro for us. I beg la go. You understand? Please stand your ground. Forget love. Which kind of love? Love they find. Forget all those. That is why you see me since I did this Edo cyberspace. Few people when I would see get where they say that they talk to me as a man. And people want to know say yes. I know they rich house. I know I rich house. Go. I know I rich house. I know I rich house where they say if family self na very big family. Not be person now where they talk you they talk your own now say see person where you did they describe your own guy for your hand say no be that one where you date say no another one. You get one guy where they toast me that time. Get one guy where they toast me that time, my people. I don't first talk the story. I want to say it again. If you see this guy, he be like actress, he be like artist. I've been away to call him. Queen, not all men like that kind of thing. Some guy like calm girls like my son. They like calm girls. My daughter-in-law is very calm. Now let that one. Me not calm. I not calm. I not calm. Yeah? I not calm. Not me say I be person where they make trouble. Say maybe I will come they drink, they craze, they go for outside. Or I be person where they do problem, they do casino for us. I not be that type. I know they look for person trouble. As you see me, so I did like when I'll just if they break now. As today been as they break, I don't clean all my house, arrange my room, do everything, cook. I go post the video. Thanks for joining my lady Obava. I'll post the video. Wait till I eat today. Fry yam and chicken wings. I do sauce now. I eat before I on this live video. I so they do my things. I'm minding my business. I don't get anybody who will come they shut up and down for my house or me and person will come they get issue. But see, as I did my own and somebody go just come from nowhere. Say like one lizard way from silly fourth or ground, come they accuse me of something where I don't know one, no two, or something when I know say this thing I saw it take play. You want to turn for my head. For national TV, you want to turn for my head. Say, okay, me no can guess this. I don't know what they do. Forget that thing. I go collect this sense first. Where I get, I go drop one for grant. I'll go bring my way. Come outside, face you. Now they get me. So Asaboro, being calm, you not even calm. Yes, if you can come out and say a lot of things for your video about your guy, and not even again come out, come call that Infinity Saga, say your guy, your man. You know, say we will be the single association. We don't like that word. My man. We don't like him. Don't do that. You don't be baby. I know, say maybe just they do want to prepare some group of people, but they're not rich. They're not rich. You when you call the talk, say you get man, you know how many people you pursue come up for your side. You know how many people they eye you, responsible people. It's your right to speak in that situation. Thank you, Mama. You understand? Asaboro, don't come out again. Can they do? Now my guy, just say it was the mistake. The only mistake you made was to go and date Infinity Saga. Tell us. He used just to touch you. I take grief for that. You explain to her like you just say he blessing a jazz. You know, you be no more data. We find no say Monica their group they use jazz. If you be saying a jazz, they take touch you. A lot of things is going on with you. Let these people come, they turn your brain, come, they turn you to say, like, say, you don't know what you they do. Okay, go see Monica fake accounts now. This one also go to Monica fake account. I see some of una way they swear, say, make Asaboro can swear. If that guy way he talk, na he be Infinity Saga. Some of una don't even they swear for una platform. Una way so una they support Monica. Una dead here, inner concourse where they talk inner concourse, una name they inside. All these 10K bloggers where Monica gets, where they share small foul bed for every Christmas. She's my husband. Who be your husband again? The Infinity Saga. Say, now so this our beautiful sister, Queen Tom, Frank Victor. That's here where he be the toaster. Yes, ma. Hey, thank you. So what you still remember me? May I say talk Frank on sumo. Now so may they do, may go come for you. Now so they want you, they no fit sleep on. My sister, use the tears anyway if you don't pass. Yes, use the tears, stress some. Make sure say you stress some. Any man will not fit collect stress from you, no deserve you. Yes, so if they suffer, know what you they suffer for. If they imagine now people were married Frank, you know say every day they saga them. You know say every day they beat them. It may be that Mama Kevin, you don't stress Frank during the time where they toast her. Or guys zozoleka ludo le eranirine. Hey. So even if she now herself when they pass through any stress or for the marriage, you know what to pain her. Don't be say till tomorrow now what if Frank they hate me that say me I be wish I dey lie, I be this because say if me follow the Italy. Me na me no we naga. Imo we na yaga. I not get even Frank will be real normal human be why I see say corona human be no be AI. I not still grief for her. Talk less of fake account we can't come out with his name go be Abenigo. You can't write me say my name na that account is fake. Is fake. That Abenigo is fake. But my real name is Undobisi Unduka. This or this. I'll be seeing you. I'll be watching. Easy, Miss Alobu. I mean, you give it to me till they talk all those things. They where worry, no problem. Thank you for supporting me. My fearfulness. I'm a very busy person. I mean, you are going to go to watch me. I'll go YouTube, go they watch. I don't do all those, even if it's because of money. I know I already go carry tasks, go carry tomatoes, stay cook, pasta shop. Then to come they say me. If I really say make I dey as I take this, so man they do some shower things. I don't see my way or buy me Jeep for this live video. Better car for this live video. I foresee carry breast, I go pump her. Come wear one small pint, come they dance, come by the shade. Wait till all those one. Maybe they look all those things like rubbish. And they look like insecurity, like woman where you know they respect what you get. He said, on this ground, I don't support Asaboro on this matter. She no see any my gay. Thanks for joining my lady Mama Jennifer. You understand? Very bad, Asaboro, my sister. A lot of people they vex for you for many things. You have to come and clear the air. Don't just say you want to go inside. Even if you know open Monica, why keep say Monica? But mind you, no reason I say you that will they use that thing until they threaten you say what they beg here Monica will be say you know many solicitors they don't pack paper go give Monica now they waiting for sure for Netherlands don't be case now you person when Netherlands don't label as a criminal no to be criminalization now you won't come the fear say you won't do case with person now that kind of person won't do case with you person don't know if not right don't leave us leave Monica Bekus first. If na me at this point, I'll face Infinity Saga. Yes. For him, you call yourself my guy. Come as I can't disrespect me in that manner. You work media. Ya buetu. Ya igweze. Your family na go they beg me say, lao si aegui, lao my God son. Your own family na go come they beg on your behalf. When you away. You say two women they fight. What you call concern you? They mention your name. You know go face one before you go the toast presenter. You know say they go call your name. Come to think of it. Infinity Saga don't they live video before Asaboro. The time when Infinity Saga they carry people page, they destroy people page, they do what they do. Asaboro, were you there? No. Now you can't they beg for her. Wallah, was Asaboro. How will you feel say one day you come find out say she be your page don't first lost for this those is Asaboro? How you go feel say that your page you lost that time now? The man way carry your page, not only your page, a lot of other people page for this live video. Nine me bring come and say I want marry. Then I will come they even they beg people say at the end now the man say go see come on another platform. They insult me. How will you feel Asaboro? You women no now you first come and say Queen Giave no lawa. Vologo when I you understand? You can say that. I'm not going to verse put because now person friend they tell person it is me. That guy of a thing, no now for all men where they this word. No, now wrong option. He said the man Asaboro is talking about is not Infinity Saga. Now Infinity Saga, Asaboro no be small pikin, my lady. My lady princess, Asaboro no be small pikin. Before woman go open leg for man. You understand? I know they get to now. She can't even know the man family. So you want to tell me now, say, among those guys, sisters now, nobody fit no say the Infinity Saga. Or not be Infinity Saga among the man, brothers and sisters. Talk less of say, no one way with Asaboro, say, then with Asaboro they gist. So you mean say they know they gist about the social media, say, they never even fair talk anything way concern Infinity Saga. Now that guy be Infinity Saga. Maybe he rename na Saga, he get another account will be Saga Kingstar. You see, get another one where they say they call Ambassador Selu King. Another one you see the way they call Ambassador Selu King. Whether a man or woman, I don't know. All those people. As you see, they show those accounts. Now, pekus they find, they go pekus of presenters. Presenters. And meanwhile, I know how many temptations they don't set for me. Now, money. Then they give me money, woto. Yes, so you call first time with you call, you know, tell you say, please, you know, I don't want to talk much. I'm at work, but I will close very soon. Please just send me your email. Let me send you something. Someone will say, send me your name. Let me send you something. You know how much? 500, 200, 300 money. Why? Because they won't get that attention. They want me you feel say, oh, you know, say women, if you know, say if you want cash small picking, you just give her, you just hold small fish for hand. If you send enter, he knows that picking will follow you anyway because of that fish. Now, so they'll carry money face me like this. Men, no, mama, I'm not dead, I'm hungry, not they beat me, even though I'm not to get bored. No, I know they do all those things because I know, say, this social media, I don't come to stay. I come to stay on this media. You can see anything about me, say, oh, queen like this, Macbekus, Umion. And me now, Macbekus, you know, if it generate AI. Because it go hard before you go see AI will go get like my tattoo for body. You see, are different for public. It was my tattoo. Some place where tattoo day. Negato origin. You know if you deny that. So my sister, you don't wrong, eh? Even if just come and beg your fans. Okay? Beg your fans, explain this you with the Infinity Saga. If now only this one said, explain to them. How come about the relationship? Who is really this your Infinity Saga? Now true they talk, say na fake one. Is it true? Asaboro not go they do like that, eh? Not go they do like that. If another person just do this thing, so the kind swear when I would swear, at the saga when I would saga that person. The swear when I would swear for that person, eh? Not be smarting. The only person now to prove Asaboro right is that Nelly did Nelly truly send a Colbert any video? You know, say the fight where Monica gets with those Nelly, those Asian people. If you remember video when I do, it's not last week, I talk about this issue. When I talk about Nelly Black and Monica. You understand? I tell Monica, say, now those Asian people where she they insult, so where she they saga, so now they go pursue her enter house for this Facebook where we did so. I tell Monica, say, you go feel say na many people be your problem. But for your koro eye, this Asian people, so where you the saga, so people where don't support you, because all these Asian people now they rule almost all the fake accounts. They will chase you enter house, your eye go clear. Who lay ya? He say, I the verse for her, she full accept. No, my lady, la oh, Mama Jennifer, la oh. Like go my lady, not verse or Asaboro. Because me they feel say that they blackmail Asaboro. You understand? Because even this whole issue now, a lot of people are involved. Beatrice Sogbaka is involved. Nelly Black is involved. Asaboro is involved. Does it mean that all these people, even the Nelly Black, all of them now, are they lying? Because if really say Asaboro not get evidence to everything where they talk, meaning Nelly Black not say Monica any video. Yes, because now the same video where they sent to Monica, now we see they talk about so. With all this other issue about Infinity Saga and this, I know say Monica sabi fight people because of the Agbola. So where is the evidence, my sister Asaboro? You say Monica they fight you because of Infinity Saga. I know say yes, definitely. If man true, I know say Monica will never allow you to marry Infinity Saga because you know that you know they are camp. She don't try by all means to draw you to her camp. But you know like her personality because she's fake. She too fake. You just want to be on your own. Right? And she now dey against you marrying Infinity Saga. So, since you don't want to work for me, then you can't take this bola. You understand? So if this whole issue now, Asaboro, you know that is the truth. Look for one, even if it's 1 hour video. Clear the hair. So that people no go bounce on you. A lot of people, you know, say me, I be person be say I dey feel they control myself well. You understand? But not be all presenters go feel control themselves. Some go on live video now. They will come talk to you the way they're not supposed to talk to you. They go on video. They will come. I even watch video where Frank do. I see the way Frank take talk. I know say the way Frank take talk for that video. Not be say he talk because of say he hates you. No, because he dey vex or waiting they happen to you. You understand? Now make her come they talk to you like that. So you feel this and say, Frank come they curse you, Frank come they call you this one, make you enter do this one. You understand? Say, now because of say if Frank not like you, no, because Frank also won't support you, but where evidence? A party won't support you, where evidence? Queen Ritoto won't stand for you, where evidence? Me Queen self, my own small support, I see there here, where evidence? Investor won't support you, where evidence? Even all of UK won't support you, where evidence? People need evidence. Without we not stand for you, not to say this matter don't finish. Monica is coming for you, just know. Asaboro, just know. Monica is coming for you. He said, my dear, is the real Infinity Saga. Sorry, she is not a baby. Yes, now yes. I know say she not be baby. But she should just come and prove it. Prove it. You and the guy not dig. You not let anybody go beg you for backyard. If you don't feel bele it is true way, give them out to presenters where you know say they'll feel on. Give her to better presenter where sabi shop something for feed. Where sabi know how to you know to broadcast to do broadcast. Let them help you spread and they not see her for your hand. They not feel hold you. You understand? But these people so you're like these people so where they say they are ready to support and stand for you. At the end, you fold your hand. They are begging her. Make she not listen to anybody where they beg her. That person where they beg Asaboro, now Ogun go kill you. Ogun boy. You will go they beg Asaboro for back. May no come disgrace these people so. Where we line us have glory have ya. They beg her not to talk for waiting. After they don't come they beg her. Okay. Person where they say our enemy head not correct again. As she big rich Asaboro for many years they say she don't know the man where he knock her. Before somebody they talk say you don't know man where knock you be like Asabiso. So if Frank now go come knock me, no say na Frank knock me. Or if somebody else, anybody, any man come knock me, I don't feel no say na this man knock me. Yo Saloboa, there is Asaboro finisher. Iyangele mi Asaboro fo. So Asaboro no person where he date again now. Now we they talk so. Anybody will go beg Asaboro may not come leak this thing finish. Ogun need to don't have boy. Because if now your name they won't turn it so you go wrong come and can't do the one way pass this one. Say Asaboro na person where they talk from two sides. Man, that's why I don't like her. She too they bend man. No, please, nobody should Muna no worry. Asaboro, she will still learn from this one. Now she don't see and say, even the love where people show Asaboro this period, Asaboro not supposed to even disappoint those people for any reason. For this media, Asaboro, the way people take come out for you this period, if not me, nobody will come out. No, I know some people will come out. Yeah, I know my people. I know people that will come out for me. But say maybe the whole media will just come out say, they'll just stand by you, gidigba. Okay, me, yeah, we are return no we are here dana. Dana. God dear, yeah, don't analyze the video. Yeah, what bear. Yeah, why we not buy? You understand? But your own case is different. People come out for you. People say, Asaboro, 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 you know? Because they never really to see you for all those things. And Infinity Saga, now done. A lot of people get interest for Infinity Saga. A lot of people get interest for Gloria. For Monica, that one, point way, borrow, my editor, we know, say that one. 4 times, you are the 4th person to accuse Monica of Ian's your boy away. We know that. We don't feel hear all those ones. If you see, give us the evidence, no problem. But if you see, say, because on a day UK, say you dey fear, okay, let's leave that one. Can you confirm this Infinity to us? Who is really this Infinity Saga? Is it the guy? Wait, that is because Monica, they talk and they laugh you now, say, you don't know the guy where you date. I don't want the boss, man. Like, even though na distance relationship, say me as I date Italy now, say the man can go day one Bogyobo village we like no day, and I dey date her for 3 months. You won't tell me say I not gonna know who I dey date. Talk less of Percy where dey my backyard where would they see up and down. Percy where would they see up and down. Percy where would don't make Grimon do things. I be it say if woman never knock my it is a go dey fall in love. Before woman they fall in love for man, they can't they do it's my love, it's my baby, it's my boo. You no, see things don't go down. A clear part is certain you don't know. You don't know. Now they tell her and say, based on she and the guy now never sit down one-on-one discuss now. You know, say during all the time of this, all this time, I will send you the, he say, better picking say, Asaboro date the real Infinity Saga. I will send you the guy peace queen. I better send that for me. Send that for me so that me go quick hold this saga where they come for Asaboro so. Because Asaboro people are coming for you. I'm telling you the truth. A lot of people they vex. Frank said, don't they para for you. Party they para. Everybody para for you. You understand? We are not asking you all these things because of say, we don't want to make you and Monica, because of saying that you go bring Monica down, or Monica won't bring you down. No. We are asking you all these things to clear your name, to free yourself, to gain back your dignity. You understand? To gain back your dignity, even if not because of the Infinity Saga, for the next man when you go meet later. You get. This is it. You made mistake at first to go down with Infinity Saga. But say maybe you can't still go now God. If it be saying that God just still want use you to expose that Infinity Saga, you don't know. And you know if you prevent the work of God for your life. If it be said that relationship was not made to last, it was made to expose Infinity Saga. And now you are blocking the work of God. You dey bite yourself. You dey cry inside your belly. You no want cry, come outside. How they do you? Did he dupe you money? He record your because how he do you? Gloria, no man industry my favor. Ask that one self, how you know rich? How you know rich or matter? Give us some evidence. If you know you still give anybody, nobody get right to force you. But if not me, the way me tell they operate, if I see something like that, what it concern you, I'm not going to talk it again. Wait it, not be say with the quarrel. Because now my personality, now you tell you, me also. I know the craze. So if you not prove any of these things now, where people still get time to listen, say later, because me, trust me, go mark this thing, Monica is coming for you.